Welcome to Python Basics. So, our first session today, first of many in a series, is going to be on Python Basics. And I'm just going to give a short intro on why learn programming, why Python, and what to expect as we go down this path. So, whenever we move to another section, so this arrow will move along until we reach the final video, so you have an idea of where exactly we are located. And I'll try to always keep the progress, show this progress at the beginning of the video, so that you can have an idea of whereabout you are in the learning path. So why learn Python? Python programming. Why learn programming? Programming is automation. So not necessarily Python. Python is a tool, but the programming part is about automation. It's letting the computer do repetitive tasks for you. Computer doesn't mind. So that's something you need to think about. That the computer doesn't mind doing the same thing 10,000 times, but a human being minds. As a matter of fact, we get bored in a few repetitive tasks, and before we know it, we're tired or some mistakes are introduced in the process. It's not so with a computer. Unless power goes off, then you have a problem because the computer relies on electricity to do that process. So there is an aspect of automation when it comes to programming. It's also about problem solving problem, big, small, intricate, breaking big challenges into small manageable pieces and allowing and giving order, I'll use the word order to the computer to do the processing using a particular language. So using Python like we're doing now, or Java or C# or more. But that's just what programming is also helping. It also helps with creativity. We can build apps, games, website, analyze data, everything that is computerized nowadays in this digital world that we're living in. There is an element of programming behind it. Within even AI, there's still an element of programming behind it. So it's also an opportunity in terms of jobs. Programming is a highly demanded skill across the world at the moment, among many others. So what more? Another good thing to have this in your portfolio and use it to your advantage. Now, this is about programming. Now, what about why Python specifically? Python is beginner friendly. I mean, it reads like English. For example, a simple example I can give is that of print, which even in a real world, in English speaking world, print, you know what to expect when you talk about it. It's some sort of output coming. Either you're using a printer or another machine. If there is print, you will know what to expect. In Python, print also gives you that kind of output. You say, okay, I've done this and this, print it, show me what it is. And Python will do so. So it's beginner friendly. It's powerful and versatile. It's used in the web, used in data, used in AI, in automation. So that's what I like also about Python. Python is supported by a massive community. How many? I don't know. But one thing you can rest assured that you're most likely to get help with using Python than probably many other languages. So having many people using something means that you are most likely to get help in almost any issue that you will face, and get moving faster than if you're choosing a language, I don't know which one, where the community really it's quite small and there's not really or as many use cases as you would see if you were using Python. And that's the reason why I chose to make a video on it anyway. So in this series of video, you will learn how to write Python code from scratch and how to think like a programmer, process things in a way, maybe my way, and then come up with your way of going about programming and thinking like a programmer. How to build real simple project you can use. So that's the overall plan of this video as we go through each and every section of these programming series using Python. Until next time, keep well.